Assalamualaikum to all my beloved panel and my supervisor, Dr. Rosida binti Jaafar. My name is Amirul Muminin bin Hairul Amri. I am from 3BMMW S11. The title of my project is Design and Analysis of Portable Laptop Table for the Smart Learning Process. The outline: background, problem statement, objective, scope project, project schedule, literature review, methodology, and preliminary finding. Background: as a degree student, I must show the skill that I have learned from the first semester to perform this project. It includes skill of using software, machining, and many other knowledge before produce the product. The goal of the project is to design a laptop stand that is enough strong for a student and allow flight student to easily study ergonomically without losing the flexibility of their laptop. Problem statement have several physiology effects on the user, ranging from eye strain, poor posture, upper extremity pain, and overuse injuries. Don't have a proper place to put their laptop when doing work. Limit living space to do their work. Objective: to study the problem face and ergonomic need for students when study using laptop, develop a new design and fabricate it using machine and other facilities in the faculty lab. To measure the strength level of the laptop table by perform structural analysis using SolidWorks software. Scope of study: both functionality and conformability will be designed. Developing the concept design to study the strength of the product. A prototype will be built to perform a structural analysis. The project schedule. Next, literature review. Introduction. Laptop table is used as a place to put things such as iPad, laptop, and book. The function of the product is to support the laptop, where there is no suitable place to put the laptop. There are many types of table laptop in market, such as a fixed table, fold table, and portable table. The meaning of the portable table is comfort and easy to bring anywhere. There is 82% of 70 college-age subjects in their study use a computer up to 6 hours a day, with 11% using a computer more than 8 hours a day. Data analysis from self-report questionnaire require that a laptop compute associate with a higher rate of musculoskeletal complaint, with 90% of users reporting discomfort among laptop users, said Hamilton 2005. The posture that can cause injuries from electronic device. First of all is hand or arm, that is called overuse injuries. It is caused by doing the same movement all the time with the same muscle position for a long period. Next, the eye strain can appear when the computer display setting or the screen are not appropriated. Third, shoulder can also injured when screening in a long period. The use of laptop make the shoulder be forced to work too high. This position for a long period, said Jane et.al. 2020. The joint, tendon, and muscle become damaged because of this. This is the right posture using a portable laptop table. The height can be raised enough to facilitate working in a standing position. The rise angle of portable laptop table help in keeping the laptop in your eye level. Besides that, it is also increase comfort and improve productivity. Produce a new experience using laptop anywhere, so you won't be restricted to sitting in one spot for the whole day. This prevent from overuse injuries. Anthropometric dimension. Anthropometric data is used to study of human body measurement for anthropological classification and compression. These include body measurements such as height, weight, and hand size, and functional measurement, principally concerning how far people can reach in a different direction. This is the laptop table in the current market. There is many variation of this type of portable laptop table. It depends on the need of the customer. You can find and install any color, shape, and function. Many of them consist of 3 components that is joined together by a bolt and nut. This is the assembly hardware in the current market. The folding table mechanism is a hydraulic lifting system normally used on a table to perform pop-up features on the table. Second, the folded adjustable laptop stand can elevate your device at the ideal height. Third, the RAID CF97. It is a hardware that is able to connect two different parts without affecting the item or accessories placed on the part when moving. A hinge is a manacle that connects two solid objects, typically allowing a limited angle of rotational between them. Lastly, a pneumatic support rod used to pneumatic system as a collection of. This is the type of material that used for making a laptop table: wood, metal, and plastic. The structural analysis. The determination of the effect of load on physical structures and their component is known as a structural analysis. Structural analysis use applied mechanism, material science, and applied mathematics to compute the deformation, internal force, stress, support reaction, and the stability of the structure. Structure analysis thus an important part of structure engineer design, said Gestor Structural Analysis 2018. This is the basic structural element. The first one is an axial load member, referred to a member whose load is direct along the axis of the member and is parallel to it, and it can only be in a tension or compression. Next, the beam. Beam are the load perpendicular to their longitudinal axis. A beam is a horizontal member spanning an opening and carrying a load. Next, a truss. A truss is a structural element made up of a thin bar joined by frictionless pin joint. Compound truss constructed by connecting two or more simple truss to perform a single rigid body. Structural analysis simulation SolidWorks. In this project, the main focus will be structural analysis. The use of SolidWorks simulation is to perform structural simulation on component and assemblies using finite element analysis (FEA), while working to enhance the validity performance and avoid the need for costly prototype or design revision later on. SolidWorks simulation can provide accurate reliability result for a wide range of study type, from basic linear static analysis to more complex non-linear and dynamic analysis. Designer and engineer primarily use structural simulation to determine the strength and the stiffness of a product by reporting the component. The methodology. In the first phase is problem faced by student, ergonomic posture, dimension, anthropometric data, and then we continue to the phase 2. Concept development, concept selection, 3D modeling, material selection, SolidWorks simulation, max force, max load, and generate the prototype. And lastly, the strengthness, structural analysis, structural simulation, SolidWorks, test, and the result. For the phase 1, this is the flowchart of the phase 1. Ergonomic posture. Proper typing posture involves the following: maintaining a straight neck and spine while keeping your feet flat on the ground. Second, adjust the angle of your elbow to between 90 to 110 degrees. Maintain a neutral wrist position, moving a laptop so that the laptop of your screen is at the eye level. Next, dimension anthropometric data. Anthropometric data should be included in the stand laptop table. This key to this project is selecting an appropriate dimension when creating a product with ergonomic guidelines. The utilization of anthropometric data or characteristic will allow users to be their duties more comfortability and lower risk of damage. This is due to the fact that the proper setting allow people to keep their natural position. This is the flowchart of the phase 2. Concept development, morphological chart. This phase begins with concept formation through the use of morphological chart. A morphological chart is a table that aggregates the key product functionalities and explains numerous methods and variants for achieving the functionalities. This is the push method. Push method is used in the concept selection to choose the final concept. It is a creation-based decision matrix that employs score metric to evaluate the best alternative based on the goal requirement. SolidWorks simulation. Design the final simulation SolidWorks. After that, the 3D CAD model has been complete. The material that suit the product will be selected according to the reference on the previous search. Its suitable selection of material provide the user with adequate stability and the maximum comfort while using the product. This is the flowchart of the prototype making. First, we make a 3D modeling process. After, make a sketch. Second, after complete the 3D modeling, we print the template. Easy for us to marking when make a prototype. This we call a measurement process. Mark the part with the right measurement before making any cutting or other process. Third, the cutting process. Cut the part that need to be cut. When doing a cutting process or machining process, you need to wear a proper PPE before doing the work. Next, a welding. Welding process is the part need to be to join the weld, to join the two part together. Next, finishing. Finishing process is like sanding and spray it with the respective color. Lastly, the assembly process. Assembly process is the part of the table together to make a complete product. This is the flowchart of the phase 3. The strengthness, structural analysis, structural simulation, SolidWorks, test and result. Structural analysis. The selected software for this project is SolidWorks software. Structural analysis is available in SolidWorks Premium and SolidWorks Simulation Standard software. By using SolidWorks, structure of the frame and the sheet metal can be analyzed and get the final result and finalize the report of stress. The software is unbelievable flexible, where if weldment of profile are being used for the structure analysis, solid bodies to turn into a beam. The preliminary finding. This is one sketch that I've made for consuming all the questionnaire that I've given to the respondent. The conceptual sketch design are portable. Is related with the questionnaire section B, question number 12. There is 98% of the respondent want to have a portable laptop table. It is also detachable fan in all design concept that fulfill 97% of the respondent. After make a sketch of a conceptual design, the developed concept will be reduced by using a concept selection method, by using a push method. Thank you for hearing my presentation. I wish I can meet all of you in the Q&A question section. Thank you.